Hi, do you want to learn what Agile really is? Or do you want to be proficient in the world's most famous and effective framework for Agile Ways of Working called Scrum? Well, this is the right place for you. My name is Bogoj Bogdanov, I'm an Agile coach from AgilePool, and I am super happy to introduce you to our best course so far called Agile-Scrum Practitioner. The training is 100% online, of course, and is focused on the Agile mindset, values and principles, and we are going to dive deep into the Scrum Framework, the newest version of it from 2020, and we are going to learn every aspect of it. In AgilePool, we believe that the best way to learn is to learn by doing. That's why our training is full with practical simulations, exercises, and games that are going to enable you to experience the practice and not just learn the theory. The training is suitable for everyone who is new to Agile and Scrum, and also for people who have some experience working in an Agile environment but want to fill some gaps. The training is not IT specific, so if you're not in IT, you're absolutely welcome to come. So don't hesitate to sign up today, and we're going to be super happy to have you there. Bye.